Canada's Wonderland 2.0.
But worse.
But Canada's Wonderland in the U.S. But guess what? You go for Fury and Copperhead Strike and Afterbird. But I mainly go for Fury. If I go to Fury once a month.
Windseeker. No Bounceroo.
Remember the Bouncers? Did
you ride them? I rode them. Is it like a little kiddie ride?
Is the show in service now? Oh, it is. They have a show.
They had a show like years ago, but they
It's epic today.
they're doing one on the
I think so. They had it
Lucky Voyager. I haven't ridden Voyager yet this year, now I think about it. We're the least at Voyager Then the Zulu. We got the Zulu. Hi, howdy, hello. There's where the old water tower was. Before they put the Prowler.
Oh my gosh, it's amazing. That's great.
Oh, there's the cage from the movie or whatever. I forget what movie that was from. But it was it's one of the last props left from the MGM prop auction in the park. I think that's where the ships came from. The Victrix and the Cotton Blossom came from the prop auction from MGM.
Yeah, I hit the wall.
I worked at I have to drink half a cup of coffee after
Oh yeah, they did retract parts of the Prowler. That's good. A little bit. There's a little bit of new wood, a couple layers.
They retract part of Zimmer over the off-season.
Oh yeah, they did. I think it was just the station
It
though.
was the station and then Zimmer took the drawback for a little bit.
Yeah. Oh yeah, we'll definitely have good shots on the Prowler.
You do get good shots of him.
Yeah, I like I hear it. I hear it. I hear it.
Cows, Park's king of the jungle, and she's ready to rumble. Meow.
I wanted to drop too. I missed the drop.
I just wanted back in the bag. That's what I wanted. Footers for the
It's feeling chilly down there.
Yeah, my thing is been raging.
That show's been out of commission for a while.
They had it last year.
You did?
They had it last year for
Oh,
the
we
50th.
never got it.
And they're supposedly bringing it back again this year, but they haven't yet.
Yeah, we didn't get it. It was supposed to be back then.
Oh, yeah?
$7 for each show.
Yeah.
You've seen one, you've seen
Oh, there goes Zulu. There's the Falcon Fault panel at the Scrambler. What? Is it? I don't think so. Oh, it might be. No, it's on 2. It's definitely on 2. And they're stacking both trains. Of course they are. Yeah. Comes the zinger. Zing, zing.
Aaron, have you not Dollar train?
Yes, I do like Silver Dollar Cities more. Oh yeah, I want to ride taxis at some point because they got Gould taxis on there now.
Yeah, what?
Taxis?
They got new cars. Oh,
They got Gould cars. Yeah, they're from Gould. Yes, it's still a mix. Well, those are both Gould. Yep. And Flying Dutchman, aka Dutchman Jail. Oh yeah, there's a couple arrows.
I bought a GoPro. I was gonna bring mine to the ground. Yeah. I think it's a lot because I got a lot of
There's Dutchman Jail. You know what my favorite H-Man Flying Dutchman ride is out of the ones I've done? I've done like 3 of them.
Yeah.
Actually, no, I've done 4 of them. And my favorite one is the one at Lakeside because it has like a neon like sail at the top that spins around with the ride.
That's cool.
And then it has like this weird ride cycle. And it doesn't have seatbelts, it has lap bars instead. But the lap bars don't lock. It's super sketch.